Hi guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today we are going to see which shampoo is going to suit your hair. And I have Pantene Silk Smooth Shampoo and Dove Anti-Dandruff Solution Shampoo with me. But before that, if you want to be part of our family, then do click that subscribe button and be part of our YouTube family. So without wasting time, let's start. Today I have Pantene Silk Smooth Shampoo and Dove Anti-Dandruff Solution with me. Now let's talk about Pantene Silk Smooth Shampoo. So this is how Pantene Silk Smooth Shampoo looks like. They have given the cost of this shampoo, that is ₹2. And here note that you get one more shampoo, and according to them it's absolutely free. But I think the cost of this shampoo is ₹1 and cost of this shampoo is ₹1. So together they are costing us ₹2. Now let's speak about Dove Anti-Dandruff Solutions. So here I have Dove Anti-Dandruff Solution Shampoo with me. The cost of this product is ₹2 and according to them this is new pack. They have given that it's dandruff care shampoo. They say that for hair that's 100% smoother and up to 100% free of dandruff. And they say that it's clinically proven. Now let's see what they have given on the red side of the packaging. First, let's speak about the Pantene Silk Smooth Shampoo. Here on the red side of Pantene shampoo, they have given that Pantene Pro Silky Smooth Care Shampoo. It reduces hair fall plus smoothens rough or frizzy hair due to breakage versus non-conditioning shampoo. Directions to use: massage onto wet scalp or hair gently and rinse off thoroughly. For consumer comments or complaints, you can call to them on their toll-free number or you can write to them. They have given their email ID. It's manufactured by Procter & Gamble Home Product Private Limited. Plot number 1, Industrial Area, Katha, PO Buddy 173205, Solon, HP, India. Shampoo surfactant base. Batch number or manufacturing date. See package. They have given that used before 18 months from the date of manufacturer. MRP of this product is ₹2 and the net volume of this product is 4.5. On the other side also they have given the same information. The net volume of this Pantene Silky Smooth Shampoo is 9 ml. Note that guys, you have to use only one packet at one wash. Now let's see what they have given on the red side of Dove Anti-Dandruff Solution Shampoo. They have given that Dandruff Care Shampoo. At Dove, we dedicated to providing superior nourishment solution for hair. Dove Dandruff Care contains Pito, which is clinically proven to act on the origin of dandruff from the first wash, and micro moisture serum that helps to restore health surface, leaving it soft and smoother. Every time you use it, your hair is anti-protected as well as smooth and beautiful. Combined with Dove conditioner every time you shampoo for smooth, frizz-protected hair. No visible flakes with regular use of product. Effect may vary with person based on lab test versus non-conditioning shampoo. Directions to use: apply to wet hair, lather and rinse. For hair that is frizz protected and even more beautiful, use Dove conditioner every time you shampoo. Shampoo made in India. It's marketed by Hindustan Unilever Limited. Dove is registered trademark. For manufacturing unit address, read the first characters of the code and see seal manufactured by Hindustan Unilever Limited. They have mentioned that liver care query or feedback toll-free number. You can call on this toll-free number which they have mentioned, and even they have mentioned the email ID. You will able to see that they have given cute symbol over here and they have written cruelty free. On each and every product of Unilever, you will able to see that logo, that is U, and under that Hindustan Unilever Limited. The net volume of this product is 6 ml. Now let's get to know which product is suitable to you. If you have frizzy hair and if you are facing hair fall, then you can go for this Pantene Silk Smooth Shampoo. But remember that you have to use only one sachet at a time. But if you have dandruff, then you can go for Dove Anti-Dandruff Solution. Your dandruff will get cured by using Dove Anti-Dandruff Solution. Note that guys, whenever you are using any shampoo, you have to first wet your hair and then you have to dilute that shampoo along with water and then you have to use that in your hair and then massage it for 2 minutes and just rinse it off with the normal water. So if you want silky, smooth and shiny hair, go for Pantene Silk Smooth Shampoo. And if you want to get rid of dandruff, then go for Dove Anti-Dandruff Solution. I hope this video was useful to you. That's all in this video guys. If still you haven't subscribed to our channel, I request you to subscribe to our channel and be part of our YouTube family. Thank you.